Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover intriguing tidbits about cuisines from around the world. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of Mexican cuisine to explore some fascinating unknown facts about a beloved dish, the empanadas. To make empanadas, start by preparing the dough. Mix 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Cut in 4 tablespoons of cold unsalted butter until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Add 1 beaten egg and 1/4 cup of cold water, and knead until the dough comes together. Divide the dough and roll out thin circles. For the filling, choose your desired ingredients. Popular options include seasoned ground meat, vegetables, cheese, or a sweet filling like fruit preserves or chocolate. Place a spoonful of filling in the center of each dough circle. Fold the dough over to create a half-moon shape and seal the edges by pressing or crimping with a fork. Bake the empanadas at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 20-25 minutes, or fry them in hot vegetable oil until golden and crispy on both sides. Allow them to cool slightly before serving. Enjoy your homemade empanadas with dipping sauces or salsas of your choice. Let's start by delving into the captivating history and origins of empanadas. While these delectable pastries are now an iconic part of Mexican cuisine, did you know that their roots can be traced back to ancient Persia? The concept of enclosing various fillings in dough traveled through time and across continents, making its way to Mexico during the Spanish colonization. Here's a captivating fact about empanadas: their shape often reflects the moon. In many Latin American countries, including Mexico, empanadas are traditionally shaped like a half-moon or a crescent moon. This unique form adds a touch of symbolism and mystique to these scrumptious treats. The dough used to make empanadas is incredibly versatile, allowing for a range of textures and flavors. In Mexico, the dough is typically made with wheat flour, resulting in a tender and flaky crust. However, in other regions, such as Argentina, cornmeal-based dough, known as masa, is used, giving the empanadas a heartier and slightly sweeter taste. Did you know that empanadas are incredibly popular in Mexico and enjoyed in various forms throughout the country? Different regions have their own unique twists on empanadas. For example, in the Yucatan Peninsula, they are known as panuchos, and are made with a corn tortilla base, topped with refried black beans, and filled with mouth-watering ingredients like cochinita pibil, marinated pork, or turkey. Get ready for an extraordinary fact. In the charming town of Atlisco, Mexico, there is an annual festival called Feria de la Empanada. This lively celebration takes place in October, where locals and visitors gather to indulge in an array of empanadas, showcasing different flavors, fillings, and culinary techniques. It's a true paradise for empanada enthusiasts. Empanadas hold more than just delicious flavors. They also carry symbolism in Mexican culture. In certain regions of Mexico, the shape of the empanada can indicate the filling inside. A crimped edge signifies a savory filling, while a straight edge indicates a sweet filling. This clever tradition allows people to easily identify their preferred flavors without taking a bite. When it comes to empanadas, it's not just savory fillings that steal the show. Sweet fillings are equally enticing. In Mexico, you can find mouth-watering sweet empanadas filled with delightful ingredients like caramelized apples, cinnamon-infused pumpkin, or creamy, oozy chocolate. These sweet variations are the perfect ending to any meal or a delightful snack on their own. Empanadas are not only a delicious treat but also a convenient option for those on the go. In Mexico, empanadas are a popular street food, readily available from bustling food stalls and food trucks. Whether you're exploring the vibrant streets of Mexico City or strolling along the picturesque coastal towns, you'll likely encounter these portable pockets of flavor. And there you have it, 7 unknown facts about Mexican empanadas that showcase their rich history, versatility, and cultural significance. From their lunar-inspired shapes to the wide array of fillings and their role in festivals and street food culture, empanadas are a true culinary treasure. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed uncovering the hidden stories behind Mexican empanadas, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing insights into the world of food. Remember to keep exploring, keep learning, and keep savoring those unknown facts.